Apple may not have told us anything juicy about the upcoming iPhone 12, but that hasn't stopped talented creators from across the internet from creating their own stunning videos with iPhone 12 concepts. There's a slick new render that goes a long way when it comes to giving eager iPhone fans a way to see what's coming. It's designed by Motion Fox and posted via the Concepts iPhone YouTube channel. While rattling off a series of features the phone may include, like a new Super Retina XDR OLED display, a breakthrough LiDAR scanner, a pro performance A14 Bionic chip, and of course 5G capabilities, the video quickly offers brief flashes of some great looking iPhone 12 renders in between promises of wireless charging, water resistance, Face ID, and more, with a unifying message: welcome to the future. It's hard not to be blown away by how great the entire video package looks. Of course, the trailer, as it's intended to represent, doesn't perfectly capture iPhone's new lineup, since we still don't know what the new iPhones will officially look like. Still, this parade of new smartphones looks real enough to compete with the forthcoming iPhone 12 reveal we all know is coming. From the inky-hued home screen wallpaper to the thicker form factor of the iPhone 12, this trailer is a high-quality rendering that does a great job of giving us something to look forward to.
Hey, wait! Have a great day.